Well, I think that sounds pretty good, to be honest, for an old engine from 1964. But they are meant to be, these 2 1/4 petrols are meant to be very, very robust. They'll run on just about anything. Now you can't appreciate this, but it stinks in here now. That's one of the issues, it's smelling terrible. Well, that could just be the carburettor or something. So there we are, anyway, there it is running. Next time you see that particular engine, it'll be a lovely baby blue and brand new. So we'll crack on now. I don't want to leave it running too long because I don't really want to get it, trying to take it out with everything hot. Alright, sound.